Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on using algebra to solve problems. A special puzzle to warm up the brain cells is on the next slide. The answer will be given at the end. Enjoy. What is the meaning of the following? Good luck with it and see how you go. If you would like to subscribe now, please do so here. Otherwise you can subscribe at the end. Using algebra to solve problems. The main purpose of algebra in the area of mathematics is to assist us in solving problems. Many times we need to use variables and equations to transform worded problems into mathematical language. In this way, we can systematically find the answers we seek. Writing algebraic expressions. Let us start by transforming some worded expressions into algebraic expressions. When we are able to do this with confidence, we are well on the way to solving problems by using algebraic equations. The next slide will set out this procedure with some simple examples. Changing worded expressions into algebraic expressions. Now the worded expressions obviously are here on the left hand side and the algebraic expressions on the right hand side. The first one, the sum of A and B. Now sum is just addition. That's pretty straightforward. A number 3 more than Y. Normally 3 more than, when you have more than, that's just addition. See, y plus 3, 3 more than y. The next one, 7 times m. Times is obviously multiplication, so it's 7 times m or 7m. That's the short way of writing it. The product of x and y, product means multiplication, so it's xy. That's the same as x times y. A number 8 less than w. Normally when you see the words less than, that just means subtraction, which means smaller than, by some particular number. And in this case it's by 8. The product of h and a plus b, again product is multiplication, and we use grouping symbols here because we multiply the h by a plus b. The number of cents in k dollars. Now we know that $1 contains 100 cents, so k dollars must be 100 times k, because there are 100 cents in a dollar. And the square of p is obviously p squared. Creating equations to represent data. The next step in the problem-solving journey is being able to form equations from given data or information. So let's look at this example. Create an equation to represent the following scenario. Bill is 10 years older than Jim. The sum of their ages is 40. So we don't know Jim's age, so let Jim's age be x. Okay, that's a variable. So we have to let Jim's age be x because we don't know the exact number. If Jim is x, then Bill must be x plus 10 because we are told Bill is 10 years older. So Bill is x plus 10. Now, if we use the information provided by the second sentence, that's this sentence here, this is what we get. We get Jim's age plus Bill's age is 40. And that's the equation that's set up. And we will learn very soon in the next few videos how to solve this equation, and that will give us the answer. Now here are some more examples, very straightforward and very similar to what we just saw. A number when added to 5 gives an answer of 16. Let the unknown number be x, so the number when added to 5 gives 16. That's your equation. 7 is subtracted from a number and the answer is 18. Let x be the unknown number. So if x is the unknown number, we subtract 7 from it and we get 18. The sum of two consecutive integers is 17. Now, consecutive integers, that's like 8 and 9, or 20 and 21, or 42 and 43. Their difference is 1. So let the smaller integer be a. So if the smaller integer is a, then the next integer has to be a plus 1. So the sum of these two gives you 17. That's what we're given. The next one. Michael is 3 times older than Tom, and the sum of their ages is 36. So if you let Tom be x years old, Michael is 3 times older, so he must be 3x. The sum of their ages is 36, so 3x plus x equals 36. So all we've done in these examples is just, we have seen how to form the equations. We haven't tried to solve them. We are just seeing how to actually create the equations, because that's a crucial step in solving the problem. Here's a quick quiz, very similar to what we just did. Please check through the video at any time if you need help. What is the meaning of the following? Repeat after me. How clever is that? Here are the answers to the quick quiz, and check through the video at any time if you need help. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe on the next slide and you will receive a notification as to when the next video is available. Hope to see you next lesson.